the treasures you found in a hole in the ground? How about the tree back your house with a house girl? We're in between the attic and the basement somewhere where it's not dark, 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 dark.
Attic in a basement with an isolated, I'll protect you. Attic in a basement with an isolated, I'll protect you.
To hide the pleasures you found and you're rolling around all on the leaves you've been swept and the flowers cry. And don't go finding a replacement promise. Oh, sure,
Finding a replacement with a heart sedated, I'll forget you. Finding a replacement with a heart sedated, I'll forget you. Finding a replacement with a heart sedated, I'll forget you. Finding a replacement with a heart sedated, I'll forget you.
And you won't make a sound, I'll be nervous around. Lots of pictures so old that it feels like it is ending. 4, 3, 2,
1. Attic in a basement with an isolated, I'll protect you.